That's your GMC Canyon oil pan bolt. Is right there. From the driver's side, you can see it right here. That's the bolt right there. We just finished doing an oil change. That's the bolt right there. And you need a 15mm socket. You can see the socket right here. 15mm socket to remove that bolt. GMC Canyon or Chevy Colorado oil pan bolt is right there. From the driver's side, on the side, you can get it without even lifting your vehicle up. It's right there. And the oil filter is on the other side of the oil pan. I'll show you real quick. That's the new oil filter. It's right here at the front. If you look at this is the front of the vehicle. Um, that's the radiator right up here. This is the up here. This that's the radiator right here. So you can see the oil filter is right behind the radiator. That's the new oil filter, and the bolt is on the other side of the tank. 15mm socket to remove that bolt. GMC Canyon 206 and above, or 204 and above. Chevy Colorado too. Okay. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Have a good day. Bye.